Quicksilver, I am in a very special vehicle this afternoon. G63 AMG, driven by none other by Ben.
Hello.
Yeah, my faithful technician. This has got the 4-litre V8. It's a twin turbo, I believe.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
What we've done, this car has, or did have, OPF, GPF pipes, the filters. It no longer has those. This car is equipped with the Quicksilver OPF delete pipes. It also, from that back, has the Quicksilver Sport system, which has some lovely carbon tips and is all stainless steel.
Sounds really good. On the sport system, the catback system, it does use the factory valves, so it just works with the driver select wheel here. So it uses the current valves that are in the car. And then, yeah, when you're in comfort, it's a little bit more chill. And then when you're in Sport Plus, it's a bit like that. So
super epically rowdy.
yeah.
And then you get that. Don't really need to say much to say about this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is our new sport system and OPF deletes for the 2001 model G63 with the 4-litre V8. I think it sounds pretty outrageous. I think you won't be disappointed with this, but let us know what you think, and we will see you on the next one. Ciao for now.